Stop letting your memory fade. You can strengthen it starting today. Every day, small habits quietly weaken your brain. In the next minutes, you'll learn simple ways to boost your memory and focus naturally. Most of us waste hours trying to memorize things but forget them the next day. Highlighting, rereading, passive scrolling, they all trick your brain. Recognition is not memory. Your brain doesn't store what it hasn't actively processed. Mistake number 1, passive habits. Scrolling aimlessly, reading without practice, multitasking. It feels productive, but your memory gets weaker. Real improvement comes from active engagement, forcing your brain to recall, to work. Mistake number 2, cramming or overloading. Trying to memorize everything at once is like stuffing a suitcase. Your brain treats the extra info as junk. Instead, short, focused sessions strengthen connections. Consistency beats long, stressful marathons. Mistake number 3, not practicing recall. Reading or listening isn't enough. Your brain remembers what it actively retrieves. Practice recalling, teaching, explaining. These build lasting memory. Here's the shift. It's not about hours. It's about retention. Some people study for hours and forget. Others practice a few focused minutes and remember for life. The difference: active engagement. Reading equals %10 retention. Listening 20%. Watching demos 30%. Practice 75%. Teaching 90%. If you want to strengthen memory, active recall is the key. Step 1. Active recall. Close the book. Think out loud what you remember. Test yourself. Make it a memory workout. Every recall strengthens neural connections. This is how your brain builds lasting memory. Step 2. The Feynman technique. Explain a concept like you're teaching a child. Simple words, no jargon. If you stumble, that's your weak spot. Fix it, then teach again. This forces clarity and strengthens memory. Step 3. Practice and test yourself. Use flashcards, old exercises, mental quizzes. Fail fast, correct mistakes, repeat. Memory grows stronger with retrieval, not repetition. Stop passive habits today. Practice active recall, explain what you learn, and test yourself. Try one 25-minute memory workout tonight. You'll feel the difference tomorrow. Do it for a week, and your brain will thank you. But learning isn't just about books and notes. Your body needs to be ready to learn too. Think of your brain like a muscle. It performs best when it's fueled right. Foods like walnuts, blueberries, salmon, and even dark chocolate are packed with antioxidants and healthy fats that boost your memory. On the other hand, lack of sleep, stress, and processed foods are like pulling the plug on your brain. So if you really want to reach your peak learning potential, treat your brain like a professional athlete. Give it rest, feed it right, and train it daily. Because a strong memory is built, not born.